Wish I still had him. Wish he could be here to help guide me.
I think I can make that happen.
Hey guys, a new sneak peek of Cobra Kai Season 3 has come out. I'll discuss the new sneak peek along with the second half of the Season 3 trailer. So stay tuned for that. Hello everyone! Welcome to Ultimate Book Maniacs, the one stop for book and TV series reviews. In the first part of this video, we've already discussed Hawk's new Grim Reaper tattoo, Kreese redecorating the Cobra Kai dojo, and Robbie getting out, probably bailed out by Kreese, and getting arrested a second time, etc. And in this video, I'll discuss Miguel's dream, Sam being afraid of Cobra Kai students and avoiding them, and Kumiko giving a message from Mr. Miyagi to Daniel. In the new sneak peek, Daniel wishes that Mr. Miyagi was still around to help guide him, and Kumiko says she can make that happen.
I think I can make that happen.
In the first part of this video, I already posted this picture where I said that Kumiko will give a letter from Mr. Miyagi to Daniel. So my guess is, in this letter, Mr. Miyagi would give another lesson to Daniel. This scene will happen in either episode 4 or episode 5 when Daniel will be in Okinawa. So without waiting any longer, let's get to the last 25 frames I'm about to discuss. In the next clip, we see Hawk and his friends at the field and Dimitri sweeps his leg, probably to get back at him for something he did in the hall. Then we see Sam and Daniel at Miyagi-Do and Sam asks, "I thought we were the good guys," and Daniel says, "We try to be." And he tells Sam, "You can't run from your problems." If you'll notice, Sam is wearing the same dress in this scene as she wore in the security check scene, which is probably from the first episode. But Sam is at Miyagi-Do when she asks Daniel this question. It seems like she might skip some of her classes to get away from Cobra Kai or this rivalry, and Daniel will tell her not to run away from her problems. Maybe this whole conversation with his daughter would make Daniel realize that he needs to resolve his issues with Johnny, and that's probably why he will go to Johnny and ask him to work together. What do you think? Then we see Robbie facing other kids in the juvie. In the background, you can see a computer and some kind of instructions which says the effects of bullying and what can I do about it. And after that, these guys would beat him bloody. Then we see Sam fighting someone wearing black jeans and black t-shirt at what seems like a club. You can see booths on her right which says Gunsmith and Coyote Saloon. In the next clip, we also see Tori enter this club with someone behind her. The guy behind Tori is wearing a red and black shirt, so it's not the person Sam will fight. By the way, is it just me, or does this guy look like Miguel to you too? It's really hard to tell at this point, but it felt like Miguel to me. What do you think? Then in the next clip, we again see Daniel and Sam at Miyagi-Do, and Daniel is wearing the same shirt in which he will go to the Cobra Kai dojo. Then we see Sam and Daniel fighting with sticks, and we also saw weapons at the Cobra Kai dojo. So I guess in season 3, we'll get to see them fighting with weapons. Then we see Miguel and Johnny at the hospital after Miguel wakes up. So I guess his mom will have to allow Johnny to visit Miguel if Miguel will insist that it was not Johnny's fault. The doctor has probably told Miguel that he might never walk again, but Johnny will encourage him to not give up, and he will help Miguel walk again. In the next clip, we see Amanda come to the Cobra Kai dojo and slap Kreese. Maybe one of the Cobra Kai students would hurt Sam or maybe Daniel. Either that or Kreese might do something that would cause problems between her and Daniel's relationship, and she will slap Kreese for that. Why do you think she will slap Kreese? Let me know in the comments below. Then we see Johnny come to the Cobra Kai dojo and kick the door to Chris's office. Johnny seems really angry in this scene. Remember how I told you to keep in mind that he was wearing a black shirt with Hawk at the school? So it seems like Hawk would tell Johnny something that would make him really mad at Chris. I doubt that Hawk calling him weak would be enough to make him this mad. That's why I think it has something to do with Robbie. Either Chris would just go visit Robbie or he will bail him out. If Chris told Robbie how much time Johnny had been spending with Miguel, Robbie might feel like Johnny had abandoned him once again, and it would explain why he would go down a dark path. It seems like Tori will visit Miyagi-Do, and Sam seems scared of her, which seems to amuse Tori. This might be the first time Sam will face her in season 3. What do you think Tori is doing at Miyagi-Do? Is it possible she will be there to help them? In the next clip, we see Robbie laughing and looking at the guy who beat him up when he first arrived, while 2 guards are holding both of them down. It shows how much Robbie will change during his time in juvie. Then we see Miguel kicking someone at what seems like a tournament. You can see a scoreboard and some awards behind them. I think this might be a dream because Miguel is wearing a black gi in this, and there's no way he'll stay at Cobra Kai when Johnny has been kicked out of it. Unless there is a time jump and Johnny gets Cobra Kai back by then, but I highly doubt it. What do you think? Then we see Miguel in a hospital gown. He's looking at his legs and he seems shocked. So this might be the scene where someone will tell him the news about his legs, that he might never walk again. Then we see Robbie at the juvie and Chris has come to visit him, probably to tell him how Johnny has abandoned him to take care of Miguel. As you can tell from his hair, it's long, so it's before Robbie will turn bad. I tried zooming in on the notice in the background, but it just seems like notice is written in red letters. Then we see Miguel and Johnny at Johnny's home, and Johnny is making Miguel lift a keg while he is drinking from it. It's a good thing they are not at Miguel's home, or his mom will kill them both. Then we see Johnny lift Miguel to help him get in the wheelchair outside their home. After that, we see Johnny hugging Miguel, and there's a contraption tied behind Miguel's back. They are still at Johnny's home in this scene. Maybe this contraption will hold Miguel up while Johnny will make him do some leg exercises or something. Judging from the background, it seems like they are still at Johnny's home. Moving to the next clip, once again we see Johnny encouraging Miguel, and Miguel falls on his face when he tries to get up. And Johnny says, "You felt like a champ." In the next clip, we see a clip of Okinawa, and then we see Daniel looking at his and Mr. Miyagi's picture while he looks sad. Then we see Daniel's second love, Kumiko, smiling at him. So Daniel will go to Okinawa. It might be a 1-episode trip, kind of like Johnny's trip from season 2. Kumiko is holding a paper in her hands. It might be some kind of letter.
I wish you could be here to help guide me.
I think I can make that happen.
She is wearing a different dress, so it might be the scene before Johnny leaves Okinawa. What do you think she is holding in her hands? Then we see Daniel looking surprised to see someone while he is sitting at a bar. It's the same bar where he will sit and talk with Kumiko. Then we see Chosen enter. In the background, you can see a white jacket. So if it's Chosen Daniel is looking at, he was already inside somewhere. He is not coming from outside. Or it could be someone else if Daniel didn't go to Okinawa alone. Maybe he went there with Johnny or Sam or someone. What do you think? Then we see Daniel and Chosen fighting. Daniel says, "Mr. Miyagi taught me everything he knew." And Chosen says, "Let us find out."
Mr. Miyagi taught me everything he knew.
Let us find out.
You can see various weapons hanging on the wall. Mr. Miyagi also used to have similar weapons hanging on his walls. And the last point is, it seems like Johnny will take Miguel to a concert. Miguel still probably can't walk, but he's definitely enjoying himself. So, what do you think of this video? I'll post more Cobra Kai videos like Battle of Boyfriends, Robbie vs Miguel, Battle of Girlfriends, Sam vs Tori, etc. soon. If you like this video, please click on the like button below, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in my next video.